The new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell lets you see what other doorbells can't. A more complete picture from head to toe. Know exactly what's happening with valuable notifications and take action faster with options right on your phone. You can also reduce notifications that are less important to you. Get peace of mind with clear video, day or night, for anything at your door. And keep your home protected at all times. It's built to last. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The all-new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Complete picture, total protection.
Ring security cameras provide security inside and out, so you can check up on home from anywhere. New stick-up cam and indoor cam add to the versatility of the Ring cameras line, allowing you to customize protection for your home. Security outside, peace of mind inside. Protection that works together with the entire family of Ring products, all conveniently based in one app.
For me, a big priority as a mom is to make sure that my children are protected. The system is fantastic. It's a huge worry off of my mind. Ring makes me feel very safe.
Hello, and welcome to Wyze. In this video, we're going to show you how to install and set up your new Wyze video doorbell. It should take about 30 minutes and only requires a Phillips screwdriver. To get started, make sure you have all of the following items ready for installation. Before beginning installation, turn off the power to your doorbell. This is done from your breaker switch, which is typically located in your garage or basement. Next, locate your chime box. This is the device that makes a sound when your doorbell is pressed. Remove the chime box covering and take a photo of the configuration. We recommend this for any future installations. The Wyze doorbell needs to replace the original chime and doorbell to receive power. This step bypasses the existing chime circuit. Identify what the wiring looks like in your chime box. Typically, houses with one doorbell have 2 wires, houses with 2 doorbells have 3 wires, and so on. After ensuring the power is turned off, use your screwdriver to disconnect the wires. For a chime box with 2 wires, disconnect the 2 wires and connect them with the included fuse wire. Tighten the fuse wires with a wire cap. If your doorbell system is more complicated than this, don't worry. Check the installation guide in the Wyze app for detailed instructions. After bypassing your chime wires, reattach the chime's box. You are finished with the chime. Now we are going to replace your old doorbell. Ensuring the power is still turned off, locate the doorbell on the outside of your house. Using your screwdriver, remove the old doorbell from the wall and disconnect the wires in the back. Now it's time to determine what view you would like to see with your doorbell. If your doorbell is near a wall, you may prefer to use the included wedge for an angled view. Refer to the Wyze app to help you understand whether the wall plate or wedge is right for you. Pass the wire from the wall through the middle of the wall plate or wedge. Then screw the wall plate or wedge to the wall. Grab your video doorbell and the wires that came in the packaging. Use your screwdriver to loosen the screws on the back of your doorbell. Then attach the forked part of the first included wire to the first screw. Do the same with the second included wire and second screw. Tighten both screws down against the wire. Bring your doorbell with connected wires next to the exposed wires coming from your wall. Pair the loose wire ends and then cover with the provided wire caps. Twist the caps to fasten them securely. Tug the wires gently to ensure they are securely fastened. Tuck the wires into the wall by pushing them back in. Fasten your doorbell to the mounted wall plate or wedge. Go back to your breaker and turn the power on to your doorbell. Go back to your doorbell and ensure power is turned on. The doorbell should be flashing yellow or orange to indicate power. If it is not, recheck your wiring. To finish setting up your doorbell and connecting it to your Wi-Fi network, open the Wyze app and follow the instructions. There you have it. Your Wyze video doorbell is now set up and ready to go.
Don't miss the details and know more about what's happening at your home or office from anywhere. For minimal cost to you, Arlo Smart is an affordable way to add more peace of mind to your life. Get added protection that saves precious time that could make the difference in an emergency situation. With Arlo Smart, you can customize notifications, easily select from a variety of alert types, including people, vehicles, animals, and even packages, while also reducing ones that are less important to you. Arlo's rich notification feature allows you to react quickly if a person doesn't look familiar to you. Simply hold your finger on the alert to get a better view. From there, you can choose to call a friend, dial emergency services, or even sound the siren. You can even mute reoccurring notifications, such as when your kids are playing in the backyard. Enable package detection to notify when a package is delivered at your door. Arlo Smart also alerts you when vehicles park in front of your home or in your driveway. And animal detection alerts you when your pets sneak out or if an animal comes into your yard. Gain additional peace of mind knowing that Arlo Smart stores your recorded clips for 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with friends and family. You can also pinch and zoom in on a video to see clear details in up to 4K video resolution. You can create activity zones, and now only receive notifications for the activity that happens within the zone you created. So you won't be alerted for motion that you don't care about, such as when a tree branch is blowing in the wind, or when your neighbor returns home. So which plan is best for you? Choose how many Arlo cameras you want to enable with Arlo Smart. The single camera plan is best if you only have one camera. And the multi-camera plan supports up to 5 cameras. If you have Arlo cameras that support up to 2K video or less, you'll want to pick the Smart Premier plan. If your cameras support up to 4K video, you'll want the Smart Elite plan so you can watch recorded videos at the highest possible resolution. It's just that simple. So confidently protect what matters most to you, anytime, anywhere.